Hello friends, welcome to EduPanther. Now, in previous session, we have already solved the numericals for electromagnetic induction, magnetic effect due to electric current and atomic structure. Now, today we will be solving MCQs of this AC circuit. So, if you have not seen those lectures, you can go to the description box or you can go to the playlist and from there you can study. So without wasting time, let's start with this MCQs of AC circuit. AC full form is alternating current. Now the first question is what? If the RMS current of in a 50 Hertz AC circuit is 5 ampere, the value of the current is 1/300 seconds after its value becomes 0. So first write down the data. We have AC source of frequency 50 Hertz AC circuit. Okay, the current is flowing as 5 ampere. Now see, always remember, if it is not given that it is a RMS current, so definitely it will be an RMS current. See, क्वेश्चन में अगर नहीं दिया है कि वो पीक वैल्यू है तो डेफिनेटली उसको RMS ही सिलेक्ट करना है. Now the value of current after 1/300 seconds after its value becomes 0. 0 होने के जस्ट बाद 1/300 सेकेंड्स के बाद इसकी वैल्यू क्या होगी. सो दैट इज दिस वन. सी दिस इज माई जीरो वैल्यूज. तो इसके 1/300 दिस इज टाइम एक्सिस. सो व्हाट विल बी द वैल्यू ऑफ करंट आफ्टर दिस टाइम. सो राइट डाउन टाइम एज 1/300 सेकेंड. नाउ so the formula is simply I is equal to I0 sin omega t. I is equal to I0 sin omega t. So I0 is what? Peak value, and we have this RMS value. So relation between RMS value and peak value is I0 by √2. So your I0 will be what? It will be simply √2 times I RMS. So √2 times I RMS is 5 ampere. So this will be 5 √2 sin omega. Omega is nothing but 2 pi ft. Omega is nothing but 2 pi ft. So 5 √2 sin 2 into 3.14, frequency 50 Hertz and time is what? 300 seconds. So this 3.14, that is pi. Pi को as it is leave कर दो. See, this is 200, 50 into 200 and this will be see. So this will be simply pi by 3 only. Pi by 3 मिल जाएगा. So that is sin 60. Sin 60 is what? √3/2. So √3/2. So this will get cancelled. √2 and √2 here. So what you will get? 5 √3/√2. So this should be the answer. तो आंसर क्या हो जाएगा इसमें? सेकेंड वाला अपना आंसर हो जाएगा. ठीक है. नाउ मूव टू द नेक्स्ट सम. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, that is a resistor of 500 ohms. So let's write 500 ohm resistor. Inductance, that is L, is what? 0.5 Henry, are in series with a AC source which is given by, see the equation for the voltage is what? 100 √2 sin 1000 t. The power factor, see power factor is nothing but cos phi. Power factor पूछा है उसने, मतलब cos phi पूछा है. So see, this is your inductor and resistor. The general formula for cos phi is what? See, you should remember this impedance triangle. This was Z, this is R, and this is XL minus XC. This is 90 degree, and this angle is what? Phi, that is power factor. So cos phi is what? My power factor. So from this cos phi will be what? It will be XL minus XC by R, XL minus XC by R. But see, we don't have XC here because capacitor is absent. So this part will be only XL by R. It will be only XL by R. Cos phi is what? Sorry, this is tan phi. Tan phi, and power factor is cos phi. So cos phi will be adjacent upon hypo. Cos is what? Adjacent upon hypo. Hypo is what? Z. And in that your Z will be what? Simply R. Z is R square plus XL minus XC the whole square. This is the total formula. This is minus sign. Okay. So just we don't have capacitor. So this part will be 0. So R square plus XL whole square. This will be the formula for the power factor. So you have R but you don't have XL. So first calculate your XL. XL is what? Nothing but it is omega L. Omega is 1000. Omega from this equation. See when you compare this with V is equal to V0 sin omega t. So instead of omega t, you have 1000 t. So omega is what? 1000. So 1000 into L. L is what? Henry. That is 0.5 Henry. So when you multiply this, you will get 500 ohm. XL is what? Inductive reactance of the inductor. So 500. Now you can use this formula. So cos phi R. R is what? R is nothing but 500. Then square root of 500 square, that is R square, and XL is what? 500. So 500 square. So this will be 500. So this is 2 into 500. So that will be 2 into 500 square. So taking square root, that is 500. 500 square is 500 root 2 only. Cos phi. 500 get cancelled. And the cos phi will be what? 1 upon root 2 only. So we can say that the power factor is what? 1 by root 2. Power factor is 1 by root 2. So first will be the answer. A will be the answer. Okay. So in this we have learned the formula for the power factor. See, power factor and how to find out this phase angle or phase angle. Now third one is what? In an LCR circuit, are connected in series with an alternating voltage of frequency F. So we have frequency F, we have LCR. Voltage, current leads the voltage by 45 degree. Current leads the voltage by 45 degree. So this is 45 degree. So see, current is leading and EMF is lagging. So it means that this is a capacitive circuit. It will behave like a capacitive circuit because the effect of capacitor will be more. Now, see, phase angle phi, so I, and as I said, it is a capacitive circuit because the current leads the voltage. If EMF is leading means graph is like this. So that is inductive circuit. It will behave like an inductor. Means what? The effect of inductor is more than the effect of capacitor. Okay. So value of C is, what will be the value of C? Means what? We have to derive the formula. So we know that this impedance triangle, see, impedance triangle is very important. XL minus XC, and this is R. This is by phase angle phi. So tan phi is what? Opposite upon adjacent. So that is XL minus XC by R. XL minus XC by R. Now phase angle phi is what? We have 45. So tan 45. This is XL is XL minus XC by R. So tan 45 is 1. So simply it will be R is equal to XL minus XC. This XC is what? XC will be XL minus R. Now XC is 1 upon omega C, and omega can be written as 2 pi F, and XL is what? 2 pi FL, that is omega L minus R. So the C will be what? Value of C will be, it will be simply 2 pi F. Then this is 2 pi FL minus R. 2 pi FL minus R. So the answer is 2 pi FL minus R. That is, answer is B. Okay. Now move to the next sum. In an AC circuit, E and I are given by this relation. See, we have E is 150 sin 150 t volt, and the current as 150 sin 150 t plus pi by 3. There is some phase angle, extra angle hai usme, and the power dissipated is what? Let's say average power we have to find out. Now the formula for this is what? Simply average power is what? ERMS IRMS into cos phi. In this phi is what? Phase angle. So from these equation, this is omega t, that is 150 t, and this I has what? Pi by 3 phase angle. Extra phase angle जो इसका pi by 3 है. So when you draw this phasor diagram of this equation, so you will get like this. See, this is E, and जो I होगा that will be pi by 3 more than E. Okay. So we got phi as pi by 3. Now substitute the values. Average power ERMS is nothing but E0 by root 2, and IRMS is what? I0 by root 2, and cos 60, no, pi by 3. So cos 60, that is pi by 3. E0 is this one and I0 is this one. So 150 by root 2, 150 by root 2 into cos 60. Cos 60 is nothing but 1 by 2. So 150 into 150, 50 square of 50, 225, and 2 zeros will be there, and this is 4 because 2 root 2 so 4 हो जाएगा. Okay, when you divide this you will get answer near about this one because 22,000 है, so definitely divide by 4 so 5,600 के आसपास वो हो जाएगा. 5625 watt. So this will be the answer. So the power formula for power is what? ERMS IRMS cos phi. See, we can use this formula for anything. Anything means what? For resistive circuit, for inductive circuit, for capacitive circuit, or for LCR circuit in which you have all three components. Or you can use this formula for LC also, or CR also, or LR, means different combinations. Just you have to modify this formula. Phi की जो values होगी वो modify करनी होगी based on this impedance triangle. See, like if you have only inductor, so there will be only XL, and this is Z. If you have only R and C, so that equation will be what? This is R, and this is your XC, and the graph will be like this. This will be your Z. Okay. Now move to the next question, number 5th. In LCRs, in series LCR circuit, the phase difference between the voltage and the current is what? 45 degree. And the question is asked to find out the power factor. Power factor is nothing but cos phi. See, this is a very simple question. Cos phi is nothing but, see, we have phi as 145, so cos 45 is what? 1 by root 2. Now see, 1 by root 2 is nothing but 0.707. So 0.707. So that's all for this session. So इस session में हमने क्या किया? We have solved this 5 MCQs of this AC circuit chapter. See, in which, see, in first numerical, we learn about the equation for the current in an AC circuit. Then concept of IRMS and RMS value. Full form of RMS is what? Root mean square. Then this was the formula for the phase angle and the power factor. Power factor is nothing but it is a number, or it is a fraction of the total power present at the output. Then formula for the inductive reactance, that is XL, that is omega L. Then this is again a power factor formula, impedance triangle. See, impedance triangle is very important for this chapter. Then phasor diagram, average power, concept of average power, and the last one is again it is a revision type, that is cos phi. So that's it for this session. ठीक है. So next session में क्या करेंगे? We'll try to solve the numericals of this chapter. हाँ, अगर इसमें कुछ doubt है, so you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.